Hello. Spain. Spain is situated in the Iberian Peninsula. The capital of Spain is Madrid. It borders the Mediterranean Sea to the east. It borders the Alboran Sea to the south. It borders Portugal to the west. The Bay of Biscay lies to the north. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the northwest. The Strait of Gibraltar separates Spain from Morocco. It's only 13 kilometers wide. The Balearic Isles lie to the east of Spain in the Mediterranean Sea. The Canary Islands lie in the Atlantic Ocean west of the Western Sahara in Africa. Barcelona is in Catalonia. Catalonia wants to become an autonomous region, but the government in Madrid say the referendum is illegal and Catalonia must stay part of Spain. The Sagrada Familia. This is a giant basilica designed by Antonio Gaudí. Casa Parco Güell. On August the 18th, 2017, 13 people were killed and 100 injured in a terrorist attack on Las Ramblas. Las Ramblas. The Akbar Tower is 144 meters tall with 38 floors. It has 4,500 LED lights. Sensors read the outside temperature and regulate the glass shutters, which reduces the need for air conditioning. Bilbao. This city is in the Basque Country. The Guggenheim Museum is the main attraction of Bilbao. It was designed by architect Frank Gehry. It is one of the most important structures of contemporary architecture. The building is wrapped in titanium panels that create what appears to be random organic curves. These panels were designed to capture light. Córdoba. During the 10th century, it was called a Western Mecca. The Andalusian city is still a kind of Western Mecca because of La Mezquita. This is a UNESCO-listed mosque. It is one of the most splendid Islamic buildings in Europe. La Mezquita. Alcázar de los Reyes Cristianos, castle of the Christian monarchs, Juan Llanos. This former caliphal palace was the home of the Moorish rulers. Puente Romano, Roman bridge. A vestige of the ancient Roman era, the Puente Romano, is a 16-arched bridge, 16 arches, that spans the Rio Guadalquivir. The bridge was originally built after Caesar's victory over Pompey the Great. Madrid. Madrid's royal palace. The Palacio Real, or Royal Palace, is Madrid's largest building and possibly its most beautiful. Madrid's royal palace is the largest royal palace in Western Europe. It was built on the site of the old Alcázar, the Moorish castle, destroyed by fire in 1734. The name Madrid comes from the Moors who called the city Manzanares, which means River Almagrit, source of water. The palace was originally designed by Filippo Rovara, to accommodate the court of Felipe V. Prado Museum. The Prado Museum is Madrid's top cultural site and one of the world's greatest art galleries. Guernica by Picasso is housed in the Reina Sofia Museum, Madrid. Seville. Seville Cathedral is the third biggest in the world. It is Gothic. This is the cathedral. Don't know what's happened here. Bullfighting. This is the bullfighting. And flamenco. I think this okay, now we've got it. Museums. Museo de Bellas Artes, the second most important Spanish art museum after the Prado Museum. Toledo. Toledo is the heart and soul of Spain. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The most famous artworks of Toledo are the masterpieces by El Greco. Museo El Greco. The famous master of Spanish painting, Domenicos Theotokopoulos, was born in Crete in 1541. In 1577, he came to Spain, where he was simply called El Greco the Greek. Valencia. Valencia is a large city on Spain's eastern coast and is well known by tourists. The central plazas, the City of Arts, Science remains unfinished. The City of Arts contains 6 distinct zones or buildings, and they are Hemispheric, which looks like a human eye, the El Museo de las Ciencias Príncipe Felipe is the Science Museum, the Lumbracle has plants native to the area and sculptures, the Oceanographic is a small version of SeaWorld. There is also the largest glass water tunnel in Europe to walk through, directly underneath the massive fish tank with sharks swimming a few meters from your face. El Palau de las Artes Reina Sofia is the next part, which is an opera house and theatre. L'Agora is a covered exhibition space and sports area. Bye-bye.